Hey guys, happy November. I figured I'd make a video of the CB125 that I've been building up. And it's actually all built up. I wouldn't say complete, since there's always going to be a lot of stuff to do, particularly with a bike like this. But it runs, it brakes, it shifts, all of the lights work, signal lights, tail light, and it's recharging. So I think this is pretty much in a state of quote-unquote completion. This is again the 1980 CB125 parts bike that I stripped an engine off of. It's a rolling frame and put an SL125 engine in it. Lots of spare parts, and now it works. So that's how it's looking.